In the previous video, we learned how to create the template for section view sheets. Now in this video, we are going to create section sheets. Now make sure in your drawings you don't have any other layouts in this without any other names. Should be layout 1 or something like that. If you have any layout here, you have to delete it. Then after that you have to purge your drawing and especially purge the blocks. Currently my drawing is already purged, that is why I can't purge it. So if you have any blocks, unwanted blocks, you have to select the blocks and select purge checked items. That because those blocks might be problem. For example, if you have a separate block with the name title block in this drawing, when you create sheet with your template, that template also has the title block template, so it will not replace the already available block inside this drawing, so it might be problematic when creating sheets. So this is true for plan production as well. So before doing the plan production, it's better to purge the unwanted blocks. So that is about that. So now what I am going to do is I am going to create the section sheets. Before that, I will change my scale into 1:250, where our scale set in our section view sheets. So then I move to create section views. In my home tab, create section views, create multiple section views. There I am going to create all section views for all chain edges. You can select the center line and sample line group here. Then I go to next. Here I am going to production, use layout from template file. From here I move on to finding my layout, which is in the plan production folder, and section view A3 sheet. This is the one we created for section view sheet creation. Then I click open. You can see our A3 1:250 CS layout. Click OK. Then click next. Click next again and next again. And you have these materials also listed. So if you want to delist these materials, you can uncheck these. I will show you how to uncheck them later. So I'll click next, and here you have to select. Currently we are having EG offset and EG elevation. You have to select the EG surface here so that you get the correct results. Then click next. We are not going to include material details here, so we go to create section views, and it is asking for a location to create section views. So I will place section view somewhere here. So after few moments you will see the section views will be created. Now you can see my section views are created. Here you can see the section views are created. In some section views you have 2 section views inside. In other section views you have 1 section view inside. It depends on the data we have inside the section view, because if you have so many data here, it will show 1 section view. If you have a small amount of data here to show, it will show 2 section views. Right, so now we have created the section views. We will see how to modify some details here. You can see my material, cut material is listed here. Currently it is showing as a material. So if you need to show it in a better way, you can click this one, go to group properties, view group properties, then move to sections tab, Then we are talking about fill material. So currently it is not showing properly. You have to click this fill material and go to edit current selection, and from here move to view direction to section, and here you can change the scale like 0.05, it's a lower scale, so it will give you better view of the area. For the cut material you can use the same if you need, like move on to section here. Make sure you have to change it to section here and change this to 0.05 or some other value according to your need. Right, now you can see we have the cut material in a separate color. If you move somewhere here, you will see cut material in a separate color. If you want to have a separate hatch instead of this type, you can go here, go to view group properties, and for this cut material you can define it as some other pattern other than this pattern. Let us say we are getting this pattern for that one. Now you can see the pattern changes. So since these labels are going inside or overlapping with this cut material, it's better if you can remove that cut material hatch. So to remove that cut material hatch, you can uncheck this option, so the cut material will not be shown, like here now. Right now it will only show the fill materials apart from the other materials here, wearing course, binder course, sub base and ABC or base. So you can see at fill areas fill material will be shown but cut material won't be shown. So if you want to have higher interval of data in here, more populated data, you have to go to properties and go to section views, then go to band set, uncheck this option major minor increments. Let us say you need them at 5 meter intervals, change it to 5 meter intervals, and it will give the data at 5 meter intervals. Right, so that is about some details which is needed to modify your section views. Right, in the next video we will see how to create section sheets.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.